All right, here we go. We'll do a little recon mission here at, I always forget the name of this place. It's Utopia. I'm in Alabama. It's Bohamia, Alabama. Bohamia. Little recon mission here at Bohamia. Putting on my boots. Let's see what we can see. Followed one of their marked trails, the yellow path, and I stumbled upon just a beautiful waterfall. This is just a side shot of one. Let's go take a look at the full waterfall. Wait till you see this. Let's try not to fall over. Wow. That is steep. But there's the full waterfall in the distance. We'll get a close-up. Really beautiful. Get a wide shot, and now let's just pan over. Really beautiful here in the southern Appalachian Mountains.